Hey, have you ever had blue tequila? I haven't, but from a little bit of research I've done, I hear it exists, and I'm curious to see what it tastes like. My name's Aaron, I'm the creative director at Square Thunder, and I design all kinds of awesome stuff to help companies grow. You're watching Fast Logo Friday, where every week I design a logo based on a random weird word. And if you're joining us from HeadSpaceTV, I want to say a special welcome to you. Thanks for popping over. And if you're a regular watcher of my channel and you've never heard of HeadSpaceTV before, make sure you check them out on Facebook. It's a really great group of entrepreneurs and business people there, and great information and great community. Swing over there. I'll put a link down in the description below. Our word today is BRABEUM, B-R-A-B-E-U-M. There's actually a few different ways that it's spelled in English. Sometimes it's B-R-B-I-U-M. Sometimes they squeeze an extra R in there to make it BRABEUM. It comes from a Latin word and it means a prize or a reward or a thank you. It's a completely new word to me, and actually I don't see it used a lot in English, and I haven't really found it in many of the online dictionaries that I refer to on a regular basis. There's only one other company that I've found with a similar looking name, and that's BRABEUM, B-R-A-B-H-A-M, and that's the name of a British motorsport F1 racing team, and named after the driver of that team, Jack Brabham. So I think I'm pretty safe in designing a logo for a tequila brand based on this word, BRABEUM. I had a quick look around my local liquor store at some of the tequila that's available here, and they all look kind of similar in terms of the branding style and the imagery that they're using, typography choices. Yeah, there's some that stand out a little bit differently, but for the most part, there's a lot of similarities going on. So I want to see if I can create something that's a little bit unique in that space. I think what I'm going to do is explore some ideas in the realm of sugar skulls and that kind of stylistic approach. I like what that does. I haven't seen any other tequila that uses that imagery. I apologize if there's any kind of cultural misappropriation there. I did a bit of background research on that as well, and I think I'm okay to go down that road. But of course, if this was a real branding project, we'd research that a lot more thoroughly. Like usual, I'm going to start off with sketching out some rough ideas on paper, and then we'll move into Illustrator, refine one of those ideas a little bit further, and finally we'll wrap things up with showing some design mock-ups and what the thing would look like in kind of a real-world situation. Thanks for watching Fast Logo Friday. My name's Aaron with Square Thunder. We'll see you next week right here. Stay awesome. And now my neighbor's mowing his lawn. That's helpful.